Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone, of course on the phone that is paired with your watch. And once you do, open the App Store. I'm gonna use the Google Play Store, but you can use the App Store on the iPhone if you're using iPhone. Then tap on search, type in Connect IQ. Like this, and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Connect IQ Store. Once you see it, you can select it, then tap on the install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on the welcome button. Here tap on continue, or if you want to switch the accounts, you can tap on switch accounts. I'm gonna use the one I used to pair the watch with our phone. Tap on the check mark and tap on next. Allow the required permission. And after a couple of seconds, the IQ Store should load. And here we can scroll through the different categories of apps and watch faces and browse them if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on search and then select apps category to narrow my search only to apps. And here I'm gonna scroll through the list of apps and find the one I want to install. So let's find the application. I don't know, maybe some random one, Pomodoro. Let's tap on it. Then if you're not sure the app will work on your smartwatch, you can scroll down, tap on compatible devices, and here you can check if the watch is on the list. And we're looking for the Instinct 2S. So Instinct, and we have the Instinct 2S on the list, which means that the app is compatible with this watch. So we can go back, tap on the install button, and let's wait. As you can see, it says queued. Sometimes it takes quite a while for the queue to go through because something is maybe updating before the installation of the app. If you're not sure, you will see you can check the queue, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. But as you can see, the app installed, and you have the got it button, which when you see this pop-up, it means that the app is done installing, and you can tap on got it. And once you see uninstall button, also tells you that the app is installed. Okay, so the app is installed now. Now I'm gonna show you how to check the queue because this is quite confusing sometimes. So you can tap on my device in the IQ app to open the device page for your watch. And here we have the queue somewhere. I think it's when something is in queue, it's gonna be right here listed. But as you can see now we're not downloading anything, so the queue is gone. But if you're downloading something and it's stuck in the queue, you can check the queue right here. It's gonna be listed right here what's installing and what's downloading. And sometimes it takes a couple minutes for stuff to install. Sometimes it takes more than a couple minutes. So I recommend to check it if something is not downloading and installing. Okay. And once you're done, you can close the app. And now we can check our app. So we installed the app on our watch. You can press the GPS button to open the recent and favorite apps menu. Then scroll down through it. And at the bottom, you should see the app you installed. And you can press the GPS button to open it. And here we have it. I'm not sure how this app works, but it is opening. And if you want to exit it, press the back button. Like that. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.